Every week, developers release new open-source tools and experiments on GitHub that improve how we build software. This is your weekly GitHub project update, where we review practical tools worth knowing. Top trending open-source GitHub projects this week, and you'll quickly discover useful and trending developer tools without wasting time.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1, SDK Core, Rust Foundation for Temporal Workflow SDKs. SDK Core is a Rust-based core framework that powers language-specific temporal SDKs and provides the shared runtime for executing durable workflows. It solves the problem of re-implementing workflow logic across languages by centralizing execution, state handling, and communication with the temporal service through gRPC clients and shared protobuf definitions. Language SDKs connect to it through bindings, including a C bridge, while workflows run against a temporal server locally or externally during tests. It matters for developers building reliable workflow systems across stacks. Explore it to understand temporal's execution layer. Project number 2, SpacetimeDB. Database and backend unified into one runtime. SpacetimeDB is a relational database and backend server platform that lets developers run application logic directly inside the database using modules. It solves the complexity of managing separate servers and infrastructure by allowing clients to connect directly and execute logic where data lives. Developers write modules in supported languages and deploy them as a single binary, while the system keeps state in memory and persists changes through a write-ahead log. It runs locally or as a standalone server and targets real-time apps like games or collaboration tools. Try building a backend entirely inside your database. Project number 3, Agent Skills for Context Engineering. Practical patterns for managing AI agent context. Agent Skills for Context Engineering is a curated knowledge repository that acts as a reference framework for designing and operating AI agent systems with strong context management. It solves the problem of unstable or inefficient agent behavior by documenting reusable skills, architectures, and workflows for handling memory prompts and multi-agent coordination. The project organizes techniques used in production agent setups and shows how context flows between tools, agents, and reasoning steps. It is useful for engineers building LLM agents who need structured guidance. Explore it to improve how your agents reason and remember. Project number 4, DeerFlow, Super Agent Framework for Long-Running Autonomous Tasks. DeerFlow is an open-source agent framework that provides a structured runtime for building AI systems capable of researching, coding, and executing complex tasks over extended periods. It solves orchestration challenges by combining sandboxes, tools, memory systems, skills, and subagents into a coordinated workflow. Tasks run through controlled execution environments while agents plan, store intermediate results, and reuse context across steps. The framework integrates with external tools and programmable environments to support multi-stage automation. It is designed for developers experimenting with autonomous agents. Try running a multi-step agent workflow with it. Project number 5, CC Switch, Unified Desktop Controller for AI Coding CLIs. CC Switch is a cross-platform desktop application that manages multiple AI coding command line tools from one interface. It solves workflow fragmentation by letting developers switch between assistants such as Claude Code Codex, OpenCode, and Gemini CLI without manual configuration changes. The tool acts as a local control layer that launches and routes commands to the selected environment while keeping setup consistent across platforms. It runs on desktop systems and focuses on simplifying everyday AI-assisted development workflows. Use it to streamline how you move between coding assistants. Project number 6, Scrapling, Adaptive framework for scalable web scraping workflows. Scrapling is a Python-based web scraping framework designed to handle everything from single requests to large crawling operations. It solves reliability issues in scraping by adapting request strategies and providing structured tools for extraction, crawling, and automation. Developers define scraping logic while the framework manages page handling, navigation, and scaling behavior. It works locally and integrates with common Python environments, making it suitable for data collection pipelines or research tasks. It helps developers gather web data with less custom infrastructure. Try using it to build a resilient scraper. Project number 7. RuVector, Real-Time Vector Graph Neural Database Engine. RuVector is a Rust-based database and computation engine that combines vector storage, graph structures, and neural network concepts into a unified system. It solves the challenge of real-time learning and similarity reasoning by allowing data relationships and embeddings to evolve continuously during operation. The system processes vectors and graph connections together while supporting self-learning behavior directly inside the database runtime. It runs locally as a high-performance backend for AI and data-intensive applications. It is aimed at developers building intelligent retrieval or reasoning systems. Explore it to experiment with adaptive vector databases. Project number 8. Moonshine Edge-Optimized Automatic Speech Recognition Engine. Moonshine is an automatic speech recognition system designed to run efficiently on edge devices. It solves the need for fast and accurate transcription without relying on cloud processing by executing models locally. The project provides inference pipelines and tooling that allow developers to integrate speech recognition into applications while keeping audio data on device. It supports deployment in constrained environments where latency and privacy matter. Developers building voice interfaces or offline AI features benefit from its lightweight runtime. Try integrating local speech recognition into your application. Project number 9. Claude Code Telegram Bot. Remote AI coding access through Telegram. Claude Code Telegram Bot is a developer tool that connects Telegram messaging with Claude Code sessions to allow remote interaction with projects. It solves the limitation of local-only AI coding workflows by enabling commands, conversations, and project access through a chat interface with persistent sessions. The bot communicates with a running development environment and relays instructions and responses while maintaining context. It operates as a self-hosted bridge between messaging and coding tools. Developers can manage and query projects from anywhere. Try controlling your coding workflow from chat. Project number 10. Cloudflare Agents. Platform toolkit for deploying AI agents globally. Cloudflare Agents is a framework and deployment toolkit for building AI agents that run on Cloudflare's Edge platform. It solves scaling and latency challenges by letting developers execute agent logic close to users while integrating with workers, storage, and platform services. Agents interact with tools, maintain state, and handle requests within the Cloudflare runtime rather than traditional servers. The project provides patterns and examples for building production-ready agent systems on distributed infrastructure. It is aimed at developers shipping AI applications with global reach. Try deploying an agent at the edge. Project number 11. Coolify, self-hosted platform for deploying apps and databases. Coolify is a self-hosted developer platform that acts as an alternative to managed cloud deployment services by letting users deploy applications, databases, and services on their own servers. It solves infrastructure complexity by providing a web interface that connects to Git repositories and automatically builds and runs projects using containers. It integrates with Docker-based environments and supports multiple runtimes while managing networking, environment variables, and updates locally. Developers and teams keep full control of hosting and data while simplifying deployments. Try running your next app on your own infrastructure. Project number 12. Agent Captcha, AI agent system for solving Captcha workflows. Agent Captcha is an experimental AI agent project designed to automate Captcha-solving workflows through coordinated reasoning and tool usage. It addresses the challenge of interacting with verification systems by combining vision processing, automation steps, and agent decision logic inside a programmable pipeline. The agent observes challenges, processes visual inputs, and executes actions through connected tooling environments. It runs locally and demonstrates how agents can interact with real web interfaces programmatically. It is intended for developers exploring autonomous browser interaction. Explore it to understand agent-driven automation flows. Project number 13, NanoClaw, lightweight framework for building autonomous coding agents. NanoClaw is a minimal agent framework focused on creating autonomous coding assistants with a small and understandable architecture. It solves the complexity of large agent systems by providing a compact runtime that manages prompts, tools, and execution loops in a straightforward way. Developers define capabilities and connect language models while the framework handles planning and task execution locally. It integrates with development environments and command workflows without heavy dependencies. It suits engineers experimenting with agent design principles. Try building a small autonomous coding agent with it. Project number 14, Drowse, terminal-based ambient sound and focus environment. Drowse is a terminal application that generates ambient audio environments to help users focus while working in the command line. It solves distraction issues by allowing configurable soundscapes directly from a lightweight CLI without requiring graphical tools. The program runs locally and streams generated or bundled sounds through the system audio output while remaining scriptable from terminal workflows. Developers who spend long hours in terminal environments can maintain concentration without leaving their workspace. Run it to add a calm audio layer to your coding sessions. Project number 15, Zon, Agent Flags, feature flag system designed for AI agents. Agent Flags is a configuration library that provides feature flag patterns tailored for AI agent applications. It solves the need to safely control agent behavior by allowing developers to toggle capabilities, experiments, and runtime options without changing core logic. Flags define how agents access tools, reasoning paths, or features during execution, enabling controlled experimentation. The system integrates into agent workflows and runs locally as part of application configuration. It helps teams iterate on agent behavior safely. Try managing agent experiments through configurable flags. Project number 16, Restart, tool for structured AI-assisted project bootstrapping. Restart is a developer tool that helps initialize projects using AI-guided templates and structured prompts. It solves the friction of starting new repositories by generating organized scaffolding and setup steps through automated workflows. The tool connects with language models and local environments to create files, configuration, and development structure based on user intent. It runs as a local workflow assistant aimed at developers who frequently create new projects. It helps standardize project beginnings with repeatable structure. Use it to kick off a new code base quickly. Project number 17, TPMJS, Tool Registry and Execution Layer for AI Agents. TPMJS is an open-source tool registry and developer platform that helps AI agents discover, share, and execute reusable tools published to NPM. It works as a CLI, SDK, and registry that connects JavaScript packages with agent frameworks, allowing tools to be published by adding metadata to package.json and then automatically indexed. Agents search and run tools through a unified API, MCP servers, or terminal commands with execution handled through NPM-based packages. It integrates with environments like Claude Desktop, Cursor, and Agent SDK workflows, making dynamic tool use simpler for developers building AI agents. Explore TPMJS to add live tool discovery to your agents. Project number 118, Thaw, lightweight local task runner and workflow utility. Thaw is a command-line task runner that helps developers manage repeatable workflows through simple configuration. It solves the problem of scattered scripts by providing a consistent way to define and execute tasks from a unified interface. Commands map to project actions such as builds, automation steps, or environment setup while running entirely locally. It integrates naturally with existing repositories and terminal workflows without requiring external services. Developers gain a cleaner workflow for everyday automation. Use it to organize your project commands. Project number 19, Agent Memory, memory layer for persistent AI agent context. Agent Memory is a library that provides structured memory storage for AI agents so they can retain and retrieve context across interactions. It solves short-term reasoning limits by storing conversations, facts, and structured data that agents can query during execution. The system integrates with common agent frameworks and runs locally using configurable storage backends. Developers define how memories are written and retrieved while agents maintain continuity between tasks. It benefits builders creating long-running or stateful agents. Add persistent memory to make your agents more consistent. Project number 20, Agent Bench, evaluation toolkit for measuring AI agent performance. Agent Bench is a benchmarking framework designed to evaluate AI agent behavior across defined tasks and scenarios. It solves the lack of standardized testing by providing structured environments, where agents execute workflows and results are measured consistently. Developers run agents against predefined challenges and collect outputs for comparison and analysis. The toolkit integrates into development workflows and runs locally for repeatable evaluation. It helps teams understand reliability and capability differences between agent designs. Use it to measure how your agents actually perform. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.